I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select a trigger CoBlocks form. Now, click on the Fetch button, then navigate to the CoBlocks form and fill it out to retrieve the data. After fetching the form, you need a unique key to define it. However, the CoBlock form doesn't provide the unique key. That's why I added a hidden field and gave its value as a unique key. Now fill out the form. Return to the integration site to view the successfully fetched data. Now check all the fields under the object. Then choose the hidden field as a unique key. Set action. Search and select an action. Integromat. Give here the webhook link. So please visit the Integromat dashboard. Click on plus icon and search webhook. Custom webhook. Choose a hook. Copy the link and paste it here. Body. Send all data. Application/JSON. Test webhook. Click on Next. Finish and save it. Now go to the Integromat site. Click on the plus icon and search for your desired app to send data. I am choosing Airtable. Get a record. Click on Airtable. Add. Select a base. Select a table. Map the respective fields. OK. Click on Run once. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Now go to the Airtable page. And you can see the data came successfully in the Airtable. In this way you can send your data by using Integromat. Thanks for watching.